Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial raised, and in this video I'm going to show you the edit section of this CRUD operation. So you are learning PHP PDO CRUD example. So we have already covered insert section, view and delete as well. So in this video you will learn the edit section. So first, when we click on this edit, then edit.php file opens, but this file does not exist. So first we need to create this file. So now edit.php, alright, then here php, then edit.php file will be more or less similar to insert. So let's go to insert file, and then let's copy from here to there. So this is edit, and then so here will be edit. So later we will change this one also, but now the form will be also quite similar to this insert.php. So simply copy this whole code from here and then go to this edit.php file and simply paste here. Right, and then now let's start to change its name to update user. Okay, so now let's check here. So now, and in the top also we need to change it update user. Update. So here will be update user. Let's change its title as well. Update PDO example. So now when you refresh this, we can see this. Now when you click this, then update method should be called, edit, but we don't have edit, so we need to call first edit. In fact, here we need to call $obj get single. Okay, then we will pass here table name, so it's registration, and then we will pass here ID. So we write here $get and then ID. Okay, now we need to create, so $rs equals to, we like this, so we need to create this get single here inside this function .php. So it will be public function get single. Inside this we'll pass parameter $table and then $ID. The code inside this is very simple to understand here. So it's global, then $shell, $query, select star from table name, and then where condition. So instead of this where, we will write here $ID. So we'll have to write here where ID equals to. So it's better if you write here, if you want to make it more dynamic, in that case we write here $where. Okay, so let's keep it as it is, $where. So here in edit section, let's create $where equals to where ID equals to $get ID, this one, semicolon here, and then this will be where. So why I've done this? Because sometimes this ID can be anything. Okay, so if I write directly here ID, in that case if you need to put another field, then there will be problem. For example, where name equal to, okay, then if I put here ID, then it will become static. So we are making it dynamic. Okay, that's right. Right, so now it should work, and let's see by refreshing it without it. Function 103 constant 103 function.php. Okay, so somehow class name. What is the mistake? Function.php one unexpected function. Okay, so there is name function function. Right, so now it looks like working, but to check that, let's go to edit.php file and then $rs, and here value PHP equal, and then rs, and then here will be notion column here will be, so what's this, f name. So let's check if it's working. Go to here, yeah, it's coming here. So now simply we will paste lm email then password. So now all the fields are coming perfectly. Okay, so let's see another one. So we have only one, so let's click on insert, then run raw.com 1 2 3 4 5 enter, add user. Let's go to view file. Now try to edit this. So you can see the data is coming perfectly. So now edit section is working fine. So that's it in this video. In the next video I will show you how to update. So when the user will click this update, then data should be updated. I will show you that in the next video. So stay connected and don't forget to click on bell button as well as subscribe, so that this kind of useful videos you can get in notifications. Thanks for watching.